Look at, she's about ready to have a baby. Yes, she is. She ready to have a baby, Mama. Look at those babies. That one right there, you can see her belly. She's about ready to have her baby. I was hoping I would get to see it. But it seems like they have them late at night, maybe early in the morning, or they find spots that nobody can see them. So cute. They're so cute. What would you name them to? What do you think I should call them? They're always back here. Hi! So those are twins. Give me some suggestions. What would you name them?